So, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has seen only minor updates in recent years, leaving it behind more innovative Chinese foldables. However, the newly launched Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, revealed in South Korea, seeks to reinvigorate the lineup. A new unboxing video showcases both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition and Z Flip 6 Special Edition, packaged in a sleek black box with gold accents. The black shadow color adds an extra layer of sophistication, giving the devices a premium aesthetic. This special edition brings notable improvements over the Z Fold 6, including larger displays, a slimmer profile, and a better camera system. The outer display now measures 6.5 inches, compared to the Z Fold 6's 6.3 inches, and features an LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with a more user-friendly 21:9 aspect ratio. The inner screen has also been upgraded to 8 inches with a 10:9 aspect ratio, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Both displays support a 120Hz refresh rate, and the cover screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The device is thinner and lighter than the Z Fold 6, measuring just 4.9mm when open and 10.6mm when closed, with a weight of 236 grams, making it 3 grams lighter than its predecessor. However, the sleek design comes at the cost of S Pen support, which may disappoint some users. The camera system has seen a significant upgrade, with the addition of a 200-megapixel main camera with OIS, a considerable improvement over the 50-megapixel sensor in the Z Fold 6. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens now features autofocus, addressing a frequent complaint, while the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom carries over from the previous model. The dual selfie cameras remain, with a 10-megapixel camera on the outer display and a 4-megapixel under-display sensor on the main screen. Powering the device is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, supported by 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The battery remains at 4,400 mAh, with 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging. Priced at 2.78 million Korean Republic Won, which is approximately $228, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is offered exclusively in Black Shadow. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition? Share them in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.